Molweni Mzansi Afrika, molo mhlaba wonke jikelele, ndiphinde ndabuya lo ngukusasa lethu uMatshangaza uqobo lwakhe. Ndiselapha ezimangweni kaloku eNanda 4310. Ndiphinde ndanyuka ngomgwaqo phaka kwaMqunqu ndadibana nenye inkunzi malanga bayibiza uPJ.
No, abafo umenzi wezinto zenzeke. Abanye bathi Captain Levi kodwa I regard him as an S rank hunter. If you know, you know this.
Yevafa kwedini mamela. Njengoba benjilo ufikile unyana kaJuluka uqhasha snacks elokishini kodwa nina nimazi as ukusasa luMatshangaza uqobo lwakhe. Ndiselapha ezimangweni 4310 eNanda ndidibene nenye inkunzi zibiza ngoPJ Noah. Mfo khonixelele udume ngantoni?
Yeah bafo ngiyawathanda amazwi kaShiwe awenza ku-interview ukuthi asidumile kahle.
Nani nine agenda. So you're running away from the fame monster.
Exactly bafo kodwa ke even though phela yena ke dumile ke ngikuncebe kodwa ke abafo asikakodumi but sizama ukuthi sidume ngomculo mfowethu umculo we-hip hop. So umculo wethu ke mfowethu ngingasho ngithi unique mfowethu ngendlela eyisimangaliso because amakasi maningi engikwaziyo asenzayo iSpani kakhulu and asebenza nje mfowethu into serious abaningi abantu abanetalent la ngaphandle.
So if ngabuza uxolo ngokukhathi if ngabuza eyiphi lokishi ejime kakhulu ukudlula eNanda? Ayikho. Let's ask for me. Konixelele ke mfethu, you so if you had to put yourself in a box, which I know artists don't like, would you just refer to yourself as just a musician, or do you have other talents? Do you have other sports that you touch within the realm of art?
So I would say within the realm of arts, if I wouldn't be just a musician, because before I was a musician or ngidiscover ukuthi ngine-talent lo music ngine-talent loku-act angisho ukuthi bengine.
So you're also an actor?
Yebo.
Okay. Opportunities open. Opportunities open.
Yeah,
so would you say it's those two things? You're pushing acting and you're pushing music.
Yeah, those are the only two things because I'm not really good with instruments. Okay.
No,
acting.
No, that's very good. God grants us different talents and different amounts of talents. So I appreciate the one that you have.
Impela mfowethu. I do appreciate the ones I have.
Okay, let's discuss the music aspect, right?
Yeah.
If people want to now listen to your music, is there any music that you have out there? Have you released any projects in the past?
Yeah. So a project ebengisanda kuyirelease Flight Mode.
Flight Mode, is that an EP, a mixtape, an album?
Yeah, it's an EP deluxe.
Deluxe.
Yeah, which is a version enhanced ngenye indlela. First Flight Mode engayikhipha. Yeah, so ngase ngithi hayi yazi ake ngithi uqinisa kancane ukunyusa amasokisi ngithi uqinisa izintambo kancane laphana
with
njengesosha baba. So yeah. Yaphuma last year na ke kodwa ngo 2024
So where can people find the EP?
Mfowethu yonke indawo la ulalela khona umculo iyatholakala ku Spotify,
all digital platforms,
YouTube, Ban Play, kodwa mina ngisebenzisa Spotify, sorry. So that's why ngingekho familiar with others like Apple Music. I do use Apple Music at times, but yeah, Spotify, Apple, YouTube Music,
Tidal, all of them, you're available.
Yes, sir.
Now, niyandazi sendiyazi uba senilindele ama snacks from uqhasha. Yazi mamela apha nansi yeza ndonivisa umsoco wale mixtape wale EP wayekhuphile lo mbhemu.
Easy, siphethe ngohlelo sikhaba easy ngathi sidlala nomtennis. Mashampagne aphophala ngathi maningi kakhulu bazokwenza isekisi. Ngoba ide uthola la ngoba inandi sihluphe kwaze kwafa amafenish. Ngabe ngisheshe ngafika egamini manje inkinga nami ngisagibela amatekisi. How much you paying? Mawufuna ifeature ngoba kudala ngicula ngisadlala ema-gaming. Be finesse and I do it easy mina nezami isigule ngathi sidle pennies. Stay locked in, tryna figure if niggas hating cause the cloud they looking. Get me a nine, so I tell them niggas be pausing by shooter and empty the mag. Oh, I see, you give me a look of a white man when they know they already go po-pos. And they time sipping on vodka, so when I hop on a stage go loco. And when 100 niggas go right, I wanna go left, my G no FOMO. And petanam with your lane tees, banda matolo when a nigga ride solo.
No, I don't think it will change if the youth
Wow. Hot shit, hot fire.
Boys.
Hot fire. What? So wait, what did you say the name of the EP was again?
EP lenga release it's called the Flights Mode EP Deluxe, but lengo maybe ngi perform it's just an exclusive track for an upcoming EP, a actual surprise besizokhuluma ngayo after even yonke into.
We're jumping ahead. Okay. So that was an exclusive. That was an exclusive from a future project that's coming after another project.
Yes,
I heard that so there's this project that you are pushing on the 5th of July, right? It's a joint venture. Can you tell me more about it?
Yeah, bethu i-project igama layo isibanisendlela EP sizobe siyenza no Beast Boy Faku. It's a joint project, so it's a pop type of project yabo. So yeah, so
izobe kephi?
Izobe kwamabanga eduze kwasegroundini, opposite segroundini number
1.
Yes sir. Yeah, ngasedube village opposite seground number 1 kwamabanga. If you know, you know.
Abafuna ungena babelungisa iphakethe benze kanjani? Is there general prices, are the VIP prices, as the early birds, late birds?
Mfowethu akumele ngisho uzulungisa iphakethe because u30 rand early bird and 50 rand at the gate. So akumele ngisho uzulungisa iphakethe.
Nje ungawathenga amagwenya just for ivike lodwa.
Yebo. Yeah, but for so nje it's just as easy as that. U350 mfowethu mungathatha u50 rand if ufuna ukukhokha at the gates, or u30 rand if ufuna ukuthenga early bird, then it's fine. But if wena ke you privileged uthola more than u350, hayi shuthi hayi sobona ngawe ke lapho udeka amatafula.
So it's, if I'm getting this right, so it's a joint project. It's a joint, is it a joint album? Is it a joint EP? Or is it just a joint event?
It's a joint EP.
It's a joint EP that you're releasing with Beast Boy Faku.
Yes.
Beast Boy Faku is another beast. Ufaku nyawuza wasekhaya lo uyeze yakhe ngomso nizomva evaye. So can you tell me, why did you choose to collaborate with how do you actually, let me ask, how do you choose who you want to collaborate with? Because into ndiqapheleyo ne from doing interviews for amajita lapha eNanda, niyathanda ukusebenza nonke. Isike ngathi nibambene khona ubumbane endubonayo, because even though you're not part of those other movements that were there that were mentioned, like for example Amaroto Sartorial movements and Abalobi and all those things, but you guys, I know for a fact that Zikhona Ingoma ke wazenza no Smart Black. I know for a fact that Zikhona Ingoma ke wazenza no J Madness. Yabo umhlano banzi number 10. You guys are separate artists, but indone nenza nidibane kangaka. Why is it so important that you guys stay locked together?
Vethu ngicabanga ukuthi abafethu baya understand ukubaleka kokubambisana, nokuthi if sonke siphula towards the same direction kuzohlezi kubalula ukuthi siya, ngisho noma ngabe niphusha imoto mfethu, uma ngabe kuyiloyo naloyo efuna ukusebenzisa amandla akhe ngaleso sikhathi imoto ikime nje ingahambi, kodwa mase senibala senithi 1 2 3 mase nihamba same time iyasuka because nisuke seniphusha nonke to the same direction same time nibambisene
flight mode.
Exactly. So kanjalo bafo. And just to kwipoint lakho lokuthi why I chose ulokhoza uBeast. uBeast mfethu ngisho noma ngabe sekuthiwa ngilele bafo uyangivusa uyangibuza ukuthi mfethu ushiye ivesi lingafakwanga lapha kuleya project sifake ibanga izovuka ngithi uBeast mase ngiyalala, ngoba indlela mfethu esikwazi ukublenda ngayo uma ngabe sishaya iproject mfethu ngiyayithanda bafo, and le ndlela lena mfethu like nabafethu bebonke sisonke ezabafethu baseNanda no Shiwe no Greystorm no Smart no J Madness nabo bonke still masishaya ingoma song sisonke iba is something wonderful at the same time, but kube nalowo muntu lo obona ukuthi yazi mesingasebenza even on a project yabo. So in this case ke kube uBeast
ukhetha kanjani ngimfake lo out ngifake lona ngifake lona, it feels like there's like a buffet.
Exactly. Awazi uvela ungazi bantswempu bonke bantswempu bonke fethu bantswempu bonke abafethu, because even at the end of the day noma ngabe sekuthiwa ubani ongena engomeni yami nanoma ngabe siphi isikhathi kulaba fethu osubabalile, it would still be a hit, because noma ngabe uba uzobe ifila ngaleso sikhathi kulabo fethu osubabalile usuke ngadrop ivesi elintswempu kunathi sonke ngaleso sikhathi because usuke ifila. Exactly. So
I think I got confused. What?
No, if it's like sengisho in terms of ukuthi nanoma ngabe uba usuke ifila ibeat ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi just to hop in
Yeah.
usuke nje engadrop ivesi elinzima kuna cause all of abantswempu bonke njengoba dubabala but nanoma ngabe uba usuke ngempela idlozi lithi ngaleso sikhathi ayikhali
uyaziphaka indoda yaziphakamela
yeah exactly
hayi
so
bathola
ibona yabo so kushiyana kanjalo kuphela nje ngamavesi uba usuke eyifila ngaleso sikhathi but abafethu inanda ushilo ukuthi alikho igasi
elithime hayi asixolisi andixolisi mina alikho mabaveze mabandibize ndiyothetha nabo ndibave imemeli ndifonele 0624826317 that's my WhatsApp business call me
yeah
eva
sofika qathatha sizolalela
sizonimamela uba nithini mabhemi asizanga ngodlame sengothando collaboration is key yabo as you see that these boys are collaborating with each other, they're supporting each other, all of them are immensely talented, they're multi-talented. God is living within them, God is granting them access to more opportunities, more life, more win. God did, like DJ Khaled used to say. Sizoyivala ke ngoku ndifuna ubaxelele if people want to get in contact with you, they want to reach out on social media, they want to put you for bookings, they just want to watch what you're doing, ngicela usidayise tata bangakufumana phi?
Yeah vethu so PJ Noah PJAYNOWA ko wonke ama social media platforms that ngavele ngaqala ngento kuyiyona engenayo so X anginawo but it's Facebook, TikTok and Instagram and then PJ Noah yes and then for bookings it will be pjnoahbookings@gmail.com. PJ Noah is PJAYNOWA.
Okay. Ndiyabulela mfethu niyayazi ke intshumayelo yami yokugqibela endihlale ndiyikhumsha maxesha onke siyabulela uThixo, maxesha onke siyathandaza, maxesha onke siyaguqa sibonge nabadala nabangekhoyo bazingelosi singalibali yeva ke lo kukusasa lethu Majangaza uqobo lwakhe
ngoba omunye umuntu uyohlala engaqondi manje sonke sizwa ngathi asisithole ngihlale ngizama ukwenza i-decision engangikhost kokunye ngiyazibuza engabe iphupho ngiyolifesa ngoba omunye umuntu uyohlala engaqondi manje sonke sizwa ngathi asisithole ngihlale ngizama ukwenza i-decision engangikhost kokunye ngiyazibuza engabe iphupho ngiyolifesa ngihlale nginethemba ngihlale nginethemba